Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Podcast, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some of the stocks on the move today. I'm Paul Sweeney alongside Norma Linda. We're joined by Bloomberg's Isabel Lee. Isabel, what are you looking at today?
We have to start with power firm AES. We have shares soaring around 17%. Ticker is AES. So the company's exploring options, including a potential sale, sources told Bloomberg. So AES provides power to tech giants like Microsoft, Amazon, and Google. And investors, including Brookfield and BlackRock, have been studying AES after the company shares really lost about half of their value in 2 years. And of course, that comes as Trump has put in place anti-renewable policies. So here's the catch. AES has an enterprise value of $40 billion. So even a leverage buyout would rank it among the biggest of all time. So investors are definitely excited about that.
Isabel, earlier on TV, I heard you saying that you are a fan of Starbucks, and that's one of the stocks that you're looking at. What's going on with Starbucks?
I do love Starbucks because it tastes the same all over the world. So if I order a cafe mocha here, it tastes the same as back home in the Philippines. And I just like that about the stock. So SBUX is up 0.5%. So the company is receiving proposals from potential investors in its China business, according to, again, people familiar with the matter. And most of them are eyeing a potential controlling stake. So China is the second biggest market of Starbucks. And Bloomberg first reported in May that it's kicking off a review process of its China business, which has been struggling as really a lackluster economy and really rivals grow. So now Starbucks is in the process of sifting through those proposals and shortlisting options. So this wasn't Starbucks' preferred option. Of course, they just wanted a minority stake partner that could help them return to growth. But here we are. So a fun fact, Starbucks has been trying to attract local customers to introducing more sugar-free options and really slashing tea beverages. A lot of Asians like to drink tea, although we're not generalizing here.
Hold it. But if you're in the Philippines, I understand it's a little warm there, like every single day of the year. You drinking hot coffee?
I personally drink hot coffee, even if I'm sweating my whole body up. But you can order Frappuccino,
macchiato.
Yes, everything. You can make a hot drink iced, but it's big in the Philippines.
And I heard they're bringing protein, right? Protein drinks to Starbucks as well, allegedly.
That I didn't know.
All right, real quick, Nvidia, that's got a headline.
It's the biggest story today, I think. Shares are edging higher by almost 2%. So they're the first company to achieve a $4 trillion market cap, really just cementing its status as the leader in the space, the leader in the global market. So shares jump around 2.8 earlier, and that was what brought Nvidia to crack the milestone. So remember DeepSeek? I think everyone forgot about that. And the stock has risen 20% in 2025 and up more than 1,000% since the beginning of 2023. So really, Nvidia is a stock to see. Really amazing growth.
The Stock Movers Podcast from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.